Johnny's daddy was taking him fishing when he was 8 years old. A little girl came through the front gate.
And I got a surprise for you. Got my boat. You ready? Check it out. Kids in it playing right now. With everything going out pretty good. Live well seat. You know how it works. What are you doing?
Fix it. I'll fix.
That's my glove box. Steering wheel. Here's the steering wheel. It's got the throttle control. That's the throttle control. Yeah, I'll take it on there. It's only got a 50 horse on it, but yeah, that's all I need, you know what I'm saying? Ain't a bad looking boat, you ask me. Fish ski boat. Fiberglass. There you go, right there, baby. Louisville, Kentucky. It's got the tram and all that deal hooky, you know how it is. Trophy bass boat. Got the seat. Got all that. It's got the working light. Got the hummingbird fish finder. Turn all the way around. Nice little boat, starter boat. Ain't a bad looking boat, is it? No. Good looking boat. Got the anchor in the front. I'm gonna get some monster holders, put 2 in the front. Build a rack in the back. It's good. I kinda like it because it's gonna sit a little bit high out of the water. It's gonna sit real low, so. I'm gonna put a monster right here, and where that hole is right there, I'm gonna put a monster there. Yeah, the live well. The live well in there need to be cleaned out though. It's got everything that you need to really need for real. I need to get a trolling motor. That's about it. How the lights work. You got the front and back light.
Daddy, Daddy.
That's all that. Well, let's catfish that.